What's up, YouTube? I don't know about you guys, but I find the audio in my Sena headset to be a bit lackluster. Once I get above, say, 30 miles per hour on the bike, I really can't hear anything. After some searches on the interwebs and YouTube and tweaking the music settings on an iPhone in Apple Music, I still found it to be above 30 miles per hour. Can't hear it, inaudible. So I was laying on the couch one day watching TV, and I was thinking to myself, how can I make these speakers better? And I stumbled across a couple of videos on YouTube of some people doing the same thing, and they were getting these Panasonic headphones and cutting the speakers out and replacing those speakers with replacing the center speakers with those speakers. And I tried that, and it was marginal different. It was marginally better, but yet it was better. So I'll link the headphones in the description of the video if you want to go that route. Then I started thinking, who makes some of the better higher end headphones? Bose, Beats. So I did a search on eBay, and I was able to find replacement speakers for Beats headphones, as you can see right here. Now I paid, I want to say, $30 for the pair. Now, if you do a quick Amazon search, there's a company out there that does speaker upgrades, that sells speaker upgrades for Sena headsets, and they're roughly about $30. So if you don't want to do the work yourself, just buy those and get ahead. I'll just plug those in. I believe they go into the headphone jack here on the headset, the speaker upgrades for the Senas from Amazon. But here's what you get with your Sena headset, these speakers here. Now I get it, they're trying to make a buck, so they're going to give you the biggest pieces of crap that they can find. To be honest, or to be fair I should say, my bike is pretty loud, so it may be just a byproduct of my bike and not necessarily the speaker quality. But I'm not the only one that's had a complaint about this, so I don't know. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut those out, as I did here, right? Solder these in. I did this to my Shoei and my wife's Shoei already, and with the earplugs in above 60 to 70, I can still hear the music. And that, of course, that's with the headset cranked up all the way, max volume. So it is a huge improvement, and the sound quality is a little bit better. It's not like perfect or great, but it is better. So stay tuned to see how I'm going to go about doing this. Roll the intro. So excuse the mess that is my workspace, but I've been cooking up some other stuff to try to make things a little bit better. Stay tuned for that as well. But anyway, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all this excess plastic from around the speaker because I don't need it. And I'm just going to use my cutting tins for this. So cut. Now you can be a perfectionist, and if you have the time or the want, but it's going to be a bit jagged, but you're not going to feel it because I don't feel it, neither does my wife. To smooth these jagged edges out if you'd like to, but I didn't care to. I might later on, but like I said, it makes no difference. Cut that out. I got these speakers, I don't know if I mentioned this, I just got them off of eBay. And like I said, I paid $30 for the pair. They can get a bit more expensive than that though, so just be careful. It all depends on how much you want to spend, I guess, with anything. So there you go. I'm gonna do a little speaker test. See if this works. I just want to see if the speaker works. And it does. Following along at home, your terminals are going to be positive, negative. So these other two are for some other, I guess, crap they have. I don't know what. But positive, negative right here. And to any electrician. By any stretch of the word. I'm just a dude with a soldering iron who likes to tinker around. So if I make some sort of egregious error when it comes to soldering and electrical work, feel free to let me know. And I misspoke. The actual connectors are the outermost soldering points. So outside right, outside left, or however you're looking at the video, and vice versa. But it's the outer two, outer, and positive, negative. Sena headset, the white is positive, red is negative, which is weird. I don't understand why, but it is what it is. I'd like to play some music over it, but I'm scared to get in trouble. So I'm not going to. You just have to take my word for it. I suppose you guys also want to see how I got these in my helmet. Okay, well, the first thing I did was I glued these pucks for the Sena to the Beats headphones. And then with some hot glue, I covered the soldering points so that way I don't damage them. And then I'll glue this. And myself to the speaker. Like so. You don't need to use that much glue however way you overdid it. Next, I'm going to cut a hole in this puck so that the speaker can almost fit in it. I don't know. It's just what I did to get it to stick to inside the helmet. So cut a hole as deep as you want, as big as you want. I'm just gonna cut a hole big enough that I can kind of recess the speaker in there a little bit and have it find its home. Don't mock my craft skills. Alright, here's the finished product. Looks pretty legit, huh? So all I did was half-assedly cut what is supposed to be a circle out in these pucks that you get with the Sena headsets and attached it to that, female or male end of the I don't know, attachment, whatever the hell you want to call it. But anyway, yeah, there you go. And then this thing will go inside the helmet and speakers will be up against your ear and you have much more better sound. Just a little bit of sound comparison, yeah? Yes, sounds good. Said I wasn't going to, but I'm going to. All right, Beats. Sena, both turned up max. Same song. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. speaker upgrade for your Sena. How you want to go about doing it is up to you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, if you liked what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing, and make sure you share our videos, because sharing is caring, folks. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think of the upgrade, and if you have any questions. Once again, this is your boy, F.N.G. Moto, reminding you to ride safe, be safe, keep the shiny side up. Bye.